Yes, of course, tiyan kita plano. To do my point of view is to extend my help to the people of Zamboanga. Not only in G1, but if possible, the entire district too.
As the father of the barangay of Giwan Cup, sabi to el problema del comunidad, if given the chance na council, what will be your first priority?
Yes, actually, no, I have my advocacy. My first priority is to maintain the cleanliness, if possible, in entire Zamboanga. The next one is to maintain the good and peace and order. And also to extend the help to the poorest of the poor.
So, cleanliness, one of your priority Cup, and considering ke tang problema kita di aton landfill area, kailangan ito kasi man approach.
Yes, as of now, no, the landfill area, no, Tabirayo, based on my personal opinion, no, si if possible, busca tayo sila otro area, kita mirayo, dol talyena ya, el di aton landfill area. And as expected kasi, as yan sinata sucede, kay Bertol, volume de la diaton basura every day, no? So, kabar el diaton landfill area, hindi ka tabla bien grande, jutay lang. And other than that, no, on my, in my barangay, no, as of the moment, yan kita malo track uno, but I decided ke man volunteer ke manda usa di mio on dump truck. So por eso ara mira to con el basura diaton ta pwede kita man maintain hindi ka tabla bien mabuling tamira kita tiene man basura pero that's normal. So pero every day taman nagat man collect ko na di mio garbage collector.
So if given the chance Cup, considering you came from the barangay, what will be your programs for the different barangays in the city?
Yes, amo no, tan assume si Cap, no, si pwede gana si Cap, what I did to my barangay, I will apply also that to other barangay.
On peace and order Cup, considering kinita mga suceso, shooting ang sina, wasa to ko na si manera or approach ase para hindi man siguro para eradicate, just to minimize shooting.
Maybe siguro no, who is the mayor is to para keda na future, so I will support lang his program. But actually no, el Kentan aspire for mayor this coming 2025 election, ang project kele ko sa le kere ase. Si if ever si puede le sale victorioso na este coming election.
So si Cap Castillo, conocido como Api Kinamasa, con la cosa de mga gente. So, ito yung mga visit ng mga barangay, kaya tal nila perception contigo?
Yes, actually, no, at first, undecided yo para kore. Pero every time, kaya kami meeting, so, yung mga barangay chairman, tan push kumigo para kore, para tiyan sila representative, tiyan sila boses na konseho.
And lastly, Cap, sabi mo bien, every election, no hay daw election limpio, pero tiene mancha, bullying. Cosa ito yung appeal ko publiko oficialmente na aspeto de alleged vote buying?
Yes, kung I'm appealing, no, kung mga ken ta bota, no, if possible, ara, estudya kita bonamente. Pone kita con mga kandidato akal karapat dapat gayot para sinta na pwesto. Hindi tan taking advantage lang na gobyerno. Aquel que tiene cosas aquel que tiene feelings para sirvi y dale buenos servicios con el mga constituente de Zamboanga City.